So that's some clunking noise on this car, and I jacked it up, went through Eric the Car Guy's video on diagnosing, and you know, I could get the clunking to occur when I had the car jacked up and I was pushing up and down on it. But after going through and prying on everything, I couldn't find the problem until I went up and down here. And you watch there, you can see the boot moving. So, and when I did that, I could hear it clunk. See if a different angle helps. Yeah, you can see that boot moving there. So that's a bad sway bar link. I'll go to the other side now and show you that that one's tight. But yeah, the video said one video said, hey, if it's tight when you move it, it's good. And you know, I do that here, you know, and it feels pretty tight. So I'll go to the other side. So again, if you're hearing the clunking when you're bouncing the car up and down, just make sure you go up and down on the components too. I mean, some of them, you know, like the lower ball joint, you know, you can pry up and down on the tire like Eric the Car Guy shows, and they'll probably show you that it's loose. But here I was kind of prying in and out and grabbing it, and I couldn't find it until I went up and down, and it would click. Now it's not doing it now again because it's cold, but I'll show you this one. Yeah, and again here I'm not getting the movement, but both of these are getting replaced because even if I couldn't have found the problem, they both had cracked boots. So hopefully that helps you.